Well, hello there. Welcome to my bed where I am cooling down with a cooling blanket. Oh, and a cooling pillowcase. My name is Julie, and today is another episode of Frugal Mama Reviews, where I try out an item, a product, a service, and tell you if I think it is worth your hard-earned money. Thank you, Arc Chill, for sending us these fabulous products to try out. Frugal friends, there is a special link in the video description. Please do take a moment to click on that link. Okay, I am excited. This is the cooling pillowcase. It says cooling like no other, and the cooling blanket. It even has like pieces of ice on the front. Listen, I'm going through forced menopause, okay? That's what happens when they take all your bits out at the same time. Woo! Mama gets the nighttime sweats, and it is not fun for anyone. Here's hoping these make a difference. Okay, is this like magic or something? Yeah, I know, it's a sponsored video, but that's weird. What is it doing? How is it? Let's see. It's made, let's see, the back is 100% cotton. The surface is nylon and polyethylene. It's cold. The blanket is cold. It hasn't been in a freezer or a fridge. Why is it cold? Cool touch technology, blah, blah, blah. Don't iron it. Hang it in the shade. Don't bleach it. This is skin, sweat, vapor. I don't know. I just know it's simple things for me. Okay? It's simple things. It feels cold to the touch. I wonder if the pillowcase will be the same way. Let's find out. Yeah, it's not as cold as the blanket, but it's still cool to the touch. This, though, is like cool to the touch. This is pleasantly cool. I don't know. It's supposed to like wick away the heat and the sweat. We're trying these out tonight. We're gonna see how it goes. My husband, I love him dearly, but he's like my own personal space heater. So between him and the menopause night sweats, ooh, I mean, it gets toasty in here. It gets toasty. Is that about to change? Well, I'll tell you in the morning. So that's a fun surprise. It actually was a 2-pack. I did not realize that. Just says cooling pillowcase, but actually there's 2 of them. So, and they're gray, and we are redoing our bedroom, which is, yeah, that's our color scheme, is gray and soothing, you know, calming. Ah, oh, that feels so nice. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Okay, so this side just feels regular. This side feels like cold, like really cold. Yeah, I didn't realize there was 2 of them. I know my daughter really wants to try one also, so I'm gonna let her try one and I will try the other. So it's got a zipper on the side. Put that in there. Now we just wait till bedtime. Oh wait, we've still got to open the blanket. Okay, all right, so check this out. Check this out, okay? This is for real. Okay, so feel with your hand this side. Okay, fine, right? Okay, now feel this side.
How does it do that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Is it just this side?
Yeah. It's weird, huh? Okay, this has not been in a fridge or a freezer.
Outside's fine.
No, I think that is the cool side. Yeah, that is, because here, compare it. Compare. Regular fabric. It's weird, huh?
I love it.
It's like magic. But I don't know how it does it. It's called, what is it called? Arc Chill.
Don't ruin the magic.
I don't know. Oh, it says, okay, here we go. Focuses on Japanese. Lulu wishes she was Japanese. Focuses on Japanese cooling fibers research and development, committed to providing revolutionary cooling products. Certified by Japan Boken to ensure high performance. Select Arc Chill to make the right choice. Well, I think we have so far, just based on this. Just, I mean, you feel the cool side. Ah, you feel the regular side. Cool side. Ah. Wake up, Lulu. Well, hello there. welcome to my bed where I am cooling down with a cooling blanket. Oh, and a cooling pillowcase. I even took the pillowcase to Disneyland, and it is what I used the whole time, and it was wonderful. Absolutely fabulous. I did, I will admit, have to finally force myself to wash it, which was sad. It was very sad. Thank you so much for watching, Frugal friends, and thank you again to Chill for sponsoring this video with these fabulous products. Please, Frugal friends, it only takes a moment to click on that link in the video description, and it would mean so much to me and to the Frugal family. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you all real soon.